A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In this video, you will learn some very important tips and tricks that you can apply while editing a video in Shotcut. In this first example, you will learn moving a video clip to some other location and auto-adjusting other clips on the same timeline with Ripple tool. First, split this video clip into 3 parts. Click the Ripple tool to turn it on. Then, move and put the third part of this clip at the beginning. When you drop it, the first and second clips will move out to the right, making room for the third clip. Now, drop the second one between the third and first parts. The first clip will slink to the right, and the third clip will auto-adjust between the 2 clips. Let's see another example in which we are going to insert a clip between 2 clips. When we delete a clip from the middle using the delete key, a blank space is created. If you want to avoid this space, click the Ripple delete instead. If you have multiple tracks and you want all the tracks to ripple simultaneously, turn on the Ripple All Tracks option and click Ripple Delete. The clip in the second track under the selected clip will be removed as well. You can select multiple clips and move them to another timeline layer. Let's see how it can be done. Split a video clip into multiple parts. Then, add a video layer. There are a number of options to add a track. You can add a track from the timeline menu. Or, press Ctrl+i. Or, right-click an existing track in the timeline and select Add Video Track from the context menu. Pressing the Shift button on your keyboard, click the first clip, and then leaving the adjacent one, click the third clip. The one between the 2 clips will be selected automatically, and now you can move all 3 to the new layer by dragging any one of them. You can move non-adjacent clips using Ctrl+click. A track can also be removed from the timeline. For this, right-click the track you want to remove. Select the Remove Track option or press Ctrl+Alt+U. To revert the delete action, press Ctrl+Z. You can add multiple videos to a track on the timeline. Let's see how it can be done. First, open the video clips in the playlist using Shift and click or Control and click. To use all these video clips, click the first one, press and hold the Shift key, and then click the last one. All the clips will be selected. Drag and drop these clips to the timeline. As you can see, all 4 clips are now added to the timeline. You can also add selective clips to the timeline. For this, select the first clip. Press and hold the Ctrl key, and then click Other Clips. Drag the selected clips to the timeline. You can trim the beginning and ending parts of a video using shift+i and shift+o respectively. Pause the video. Hold the Shift key and press I to trim the beginning part of this clip. As you saw, the video snapped back automatically. Resume the video and then pause it again. This time use the shift+o shortcut key to remove the trailing part. The ending part will vanish and the video next to it will snap back. Using the lock track, mute, and hide tools, you can do some useful things. While editing a video, you sometimes need to hide a video clip playing in another track. For this purpose, use the hide tool. Click this icon again to view the hidden clip. When you click the mute icon, the audio on your track stops playing. The lock track is used to prevent any sort of modifications. For example, you cannot use the split tool and also cannot move the track. To control the volume of your video, you can add gain volume filter to control the volume of the audio. Use this level slider to adjust the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching.